Hello everyone, this is Keita Priyan. So this is my final capstone project, Twitter sentiment analysis. So in this project, I'm going to analyze the sentiment of the tweet, which is positive or negative. Let's get into the project. So I'm just pip installing the Gaggle because I'm going to download the dataset from Gaggle because of the larger dataset. So I'm just pip install Gaggle over here. So using this Gaggle.json file, I'm just uploading the Gaggle.json files over here. So after that, you can see using the Gaggle API for the Twitter dataset. I'm just fetching the dataset from Gaggle. So it's downloaded already. So the dataset which I have extracted from the Gaggle is a zip file. So I'm just extracting the zip file, and then data is extracted all over here. So I'm just importing all the packages which I need for this project. So I'm just importing all the packages over here. So after that, in the extracted data contains the stop words, so I just need to remove the stop words. I'm just explaining what is stop words here. Stop words doesn't give any meaning to the machine learning model doesn't understand this word, so which is not necessary for this project. So that's why I'm just going to remove the stop words over here. So you can see this is the stop words. I'm just printed all the stop words over here. So after that, I'm going to do the data pre-processing. So you can see after using this pd.read csv, I'm just reading the csv file. Over here you can see the first five rows of the Twitter data over here. So you can see the text data contain special characters and upper cases, lower cases, which I don't want. So I'm just going to remove this stop words. So before that, I'm going to organize the columns over here. You can see the columns is not properly organized. So I'm just giving the column names: target id, date, flag, user, and text. So after that, I'm just using the speedy.read CSV. I'm just reading this data set. You can see the column names is all properly inserted over here. After that, I'm just checking the null values in the data set. So there is no null values in the data set. So so we don't need to do anything much. So after that, I'm just converting the target columns from 4 to 1. So I'm just using this. You can see the target column. We're converting the 4s from 4s to 1s. We are converting over here. So after that, we can see in the target column, 0 values is 8 lakhs is there, 1 values is 8 lakhs is there. So if the tweet is if it's 0, the tweet is negative tweet. If it's 1, the tweet is positive tweet. So that's what we are going to analyze over here. So you can see of using the stemming process, we're reducing the word to its root word. So I'm just importing this porter stemmer over here. So after that, I'm just using this stemming process. I'm just using this regular expression library. I'm just converting to all the lower cases over here. After that, I'm splitting the texts over here. After splitting the text, I'm going to remove the stop words in this particular text. After that, I'm just joining as a string. You can see I'm joining as a strings over here. So after that, you can see after the stemming process, you can see it's all changed to lower cases, and then all the special characters are removed already. So you can see if we print stemmed content data, you can see it's all over here. So after that, if you print the target column, you can see target column zeros and ones over here. So you can see this is the Twitter stemmed content data. This is the target data. So after that, what we are going to do is splitting the data set into training and testing. You can see using this train test split, I'm just splitting the training data, testing data. So I'm just using the test size as a 0.10, which is 10 percentage. I'm just accessing random stages 2 here. So after that, you can see X shape is 1,60,000 data is there. So you can see that's the X train shape. That's the X test shape data over here. So if we check X train, that's the data for X train. If we check X test, that's the X test data over here. So after that, what we are going to converting the text data into numeric using this TF-ID vectorizer. So in the stemmed content column, so there is all the text data is there. So the machine learning doesn't understand the text data, so we need to convert the text data into numerical. So just converting using this vectorizer. It's all converted to numerical. You can see it's all converted to numerical. So after that, I'm using the logistic regression model. So after that, you can see I'm just fitting the model over here, logistic regression. Maximum iteration is 1,000. So after that, I'm fitting this model from X train and Y train. You can see. So after that, I'm evaluating the model using this X-train prediction model that predict using this training data set. I'm evaluating this accuracy. You can see training data accuracy equal to accuracy score X-train, Y-train, and then prediction. After that, I'm just getting the accuracy training accuracy score for the training data. It's 0.80. After that, I'm going to check the testing data accuracy. So I'm just fitting the model in the testing data. After that, I'm just getting 0.77 as the testing data accuracy. So there is not much difference between test training accuracy and testing accuracy. There is no chances for overfitting over here. So I'm just using this pickle file. I'm just dumping all the models over here. So I'm just loading the pickle file over here. So okay, so I'm just checking the model is working or working good or not. So I'm just randomly select 100 data over here. So you can see I'm just selected 100 data over here. I'm just predicting whether the 100 data is predicting good or not. I'm just using this prediction load on model dot predict. I'm just checking X new over here. So I'm just printing the prediction over here. So you can see it's the 100th value of the actual data is 1. So on the predictive data is also 1. So model is working well and good, which is positive data. So yeah, that's it about my project. So if you have any queries about this project, please do write in the comment box. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.